What are you doing in there? If you see the pink lid to this other cup right here, just let me know. Yeah, that's right.
Nope, little spoons. Fork, big fork. Little spoon. Kid's spoon, baby spoon, kid's spoon, kid's fork, kid's fork. Oh, hang on. Baby spoon. Plastic ice cubes. If you thought these went out of style in the 90s, you were probably right. Nonetheless. Side effects. Unexpected bowel movements. Really more like expected bowel movements. If you've had coffee more than once in your life. More water, please.
For those of you with closure problems, you know who you are. Here is the empty dishwasher. It's very empty. Hey. You're in this cupboard now. So, what you just saw, what couple minutes of footage you just saw from the dishwasher emptying normally takes about 5 minutes. 5 to empty the dishwasher. Maybe. That whole process took a half an hour. Move the camera, set it up. Move the sound, set it up. If you didn't know, I didn't show you, this is the sound. Now it's gonna get a little messed up because I'm touching it. Little dead cat. Oh, it smells terrible. I put it in the soap, you know, but still smells quite terrible. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know how much work it is to make these. So for a couple minutes of video, I spent a half an hour running around the kitchen like a crazy person. But it's for you. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Bye. Are you still in there? Do you see the little red light blinking? Hello? Anybody?